Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the Linux interview question. So the ask is how to join two or more different data sets horizontally based on the sum delimiter. So in order to do this scenario or implement this type of scenario, we do have a paste command. So using that we can able to achieve this expected scenario. So in order to implement that, let's try to create two or more files and then we'll try to apply the operations in practical. Okay, now I am in Linux terminal. Let's try to create a file, sample text file. Let's say txt1.txt. So we can able to create successfully a sample text file. Now let's try to insert some names. Okay, so let's say Balakrishna, let's say Srinivas, let's say Ramakrishna, let's say Penchi. So these four members are available. Now let's try to save this file which holds names. Now let's try to create another text file. This file should holds the location of the person. Okay, now txt2.txt. Okay, so the person's location, let's say Balakrishna lives in Pleasanton, okay, and Srinivas lives in Dublin, and Ramakrishna lives in Lake Merritt, and Penchi lives in Oakland. Okay, so we have seen that txt1 consists the names, txt2 consists location. Let's try to create another text file txt3.txt. Now let's try to txt edit the text which we, so this particular text file is going to hold the salaries of the persons. Let's say Balakrishna holds 1000, second person holds 2000, third person holds 3000, fourth person holds 4000. Okay, now let's try to save this as well. Okay, now we created three different files. Txt1 file holds names, txt2.txt file holds location of the persons, txt3.txt holds salary of the person. Okay, so now let's try to join two different files horizontally. Okay, let's try to apply a paste command. So the first file name is txt1.txt, second one is txt2.txt. Okay, so what this is going to do this now against to these two text files, it is going to join both the data sets based on tab delimiter, because that's a default delimiter. Let's try to hit it. See, txt1.txt holds the names, txt2.txt holds the location, person's location. So it was joined successfully based on some tab delimiter. Okay, now for example, if you don't want to display in the console, you want to display the result into some output folder or output one, let's say. So now you go to this output one folder and cat it. See, here we can able to see it. Okay, till now it is good. Now for example, what if I want to join third dataset as well, how to do it? So in that case, let's try to take txt.txt. Okay, now let hit enter. Okay, now we have all the data: person name, person location, person salary. Okay, so using paste command we can able to join horizontally all the files. Okay, now if I want to display this into output 2, now let's apply cat output 2. Okay, so we got the data in the output 2 folder. Okay, now what if I want to, so I don't want tab as delimiter, I want some customized delimiter. Okay, so what I can able to do in that case, so we will try to see that particular scenario right now. Okay, so let's take off this output. Okay, now after paste hyphen d means delimiter, what delimiter we want to apply. Okay, between name and the location and the salary. Okay, for example I like to add hyphen, okay, in between. So we do have txt2 and then txt3 dot txt. Okay, now let's hit it. See, for the name and the location and salary, the delimiter which we are going to apply hyphen. Okay, now you changed your mind, so you don't want hyphen, you want pipe symbol. So let's go back and change the delimiter and let's hit it. Now you can able to see successfully the change delimiter file. Okay, till now it is clear. Okay, now for example you may get doubt, like for example I don't want just hyphen, I want two more hyphens. Okay, and I want arrow mark as well. Okay, I want this delimiter between the fields. So can I able to do it? We'll try to see by posting this. Hopefully it is not possible, because that will take only the first letter, only the first letter, first character it will take. What after character, first character, even though if you give it more also it won't take it, because you want to ensure, right? For example, let's try to give greater than symbol. Okay, and let's try to remove it here. Now let's try to apply. See, the greater than it is applied, so only the first letter it will apply. For example, if you want to read cross test. Okay, and now if you try to apply hyphen only is a delimiter. Okay, so here it is hyphen and the second one is gone for greater. Okay, oh okay, so the later next instant it is taking. Now let's say hyphen, so it is taking both. For example, if I want to apply question mark, this is going to consider it as second delimiter. Okay, so this is how it is getting applied, two different delimiters. Okay, now let's try to change it to delimiter. So the first one is going to take it for first one and the second alternative is going to for second one. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please forward for all our big data aspirants.